everyone, today we are doing a review on these chilled treats French vanilla mousse by Betty Crocker. It looks yummy and we haven't been on the house in a while. We're having a sweet tooth and this is something we bought like a month ago at the 99-cent store, and today we're going to give it a try to see if it's good. So there we go. We have these. We get 4 and these are the packs of the topping, and it says right here, all you gotta do is mix 1 pouch of mousse with an 8 to 12 ounce glass of milk. Yes. And then we stir it for 1 minute and let it stand for 30 seconds. Stir it again after another minute. Chill for 5. Add your topping, and then you get to eat it. And that's all the ingredients and everything in there. So let's get this started. I hope this is not a fail and these taste great. I didn't use a measuring cup. This is my best guess that this is about 8 to 12 ounces right here of milk. Yes. There we go. Time to add the powder packs. I actually got this at Ralph's. I got this at Ralph's on the clearance for $1. It says it's normally $3.50. I gave it a try because the picture looks so tasty. Here's my assistant.
I'm just eating a fruit roll-up.
It smells like coffee creamer. She's gonna try it.
It tastes good. It tastes like something familiar, but I can't really say.
The last one. Stir it for 1 minute. I'll put the timer. This way we can make it exactly the way it says in the box, and it should come out good. Do you want to do it or me to?
I'll do it.
I'll do it. My daughter made this cute cup right here, and 1 minute is up. She was able to print up a picture. She adds clear tape. I think she wets it, right? And then you remove the paper, and then you're left with a sticker that you can put on any cup. It's really cute. Okay, now it says we leave it alone for 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, we're supposed to mix it vigorously.
What?
Do you know what vigorously means? We have to mix it extra hard for 1 full minute. It's quite lumpy and separated. It kind of looks like old milk for now. Maybe once we mix it vigorously, it'll help to blend it.
Using your knowledge.
We already mixed this for another minute vigorously, and it still looks like this, and I think it might be a fail. So I'm just going to go ahead and cheat. We're going to dump these 4 cups into a bowl, and we're going to use our blender to whisk it up very good, then put it back in the cups and refrigerate. There you go. Look, much creamier. So let me pour this back inside the cups. Okay, we'll see you little beauties in 5 minutes. Well, it did thicken up a little bit. We'll add the caramel now. Let's add the caramel. Maybe that will make things look better. It tastes good. Here goes the caramel. The caramel sure is shiny.
The caramel tastes terrible.
It tastes that bad.
It just tastes like melted sugar.
Hey, it just disappeared. It just fell right through the top.
Maybe it's because you're not being smart and you added thin lane.
Oh, man. Look, it's disappearing. There's a quicksand down there.
Look, all you have to do is this.
And the caramel doesn't taste terrible, but it could be a little thicker. Uh-oh. Hey, yours is staying on top.
Yeah.
Let's see if you can make it just like the picture. See how it's sitting right on the top?
Easy peasy.
Uh-oh, hers is sinking too. Ew, what are you doing? Stop, Helena. That's just disgusting. And I don't think that they want it like that. Hey, it actually works. Slowly sinking though. It's slowly sinking. Okay, here comes more caramel. Well, I guess we can call this, it's a caramel surprise at the bottom of the cup somewhere.
Yeah, with dirty fingers at the bottom.
See that? Oh, it looks like it's an emoji almost. It's a little sad that it doesn't look like this picture at all. But now it's time to try.
I can taste a little bit dense skin cells. Safe.
Is it fluffy?
Decent.
Is it fluffy or watery?
It's watery.
Okay, come here. Here comes our little taste tester. Okay, here comes our little taste tester. It's supposed to be vanilla pudding with caramel surprise at the bottom.
It has pistachio flavor because I was eating pistachios. Yeah.
You don't like it after all? Okay. I will give this out of 10 stars. I will give it 2 at the most. So thanks for watching this video, everyone. And if you see this, we wouldn't recommend it.